Okay, so hey y'all, what's up? It's here goes 1, 2, 3, and today I will be trying to show you how to make this slime. Okay, so we're gonna put this. We only have a little glue, so it's like right here. So all you will need is a little glue. It depends how much you want to make. I'm making only a little because I only have a little glue. It's just kind of a sample of it, I guess. Okay, guys, so I'm going to be using all my leftover glues too. So, this glue. There's a lot of leftovers. Well, yeah, okay, so that's pretty much as far as we're gonna go. A shaving cream. And then the magic touch is baby oil. So you're gonna dip your spatula in it and let it drip over it. And then you're gonna tell the slime is going to poof up a little. And you want it to be a good color. Okay guys, so by good color, I mean well actually, I don't know what I mean. Just good. That's all we got. Oh guys, this is going to be a great slime with just a little more baby oil added. So guys, I'm not showing my body today just because, oh, there you go. There it is. Oh yeah, now next color. So I think I'll be making this pink. It's like a reddish pink. There it is. So excited for this slime. Are you all ready to see what the final look is? So you're just gonna twirl it around. Try to get all the use as less activator as you can, because it clearly doesn't need a lot of activator. It's a little slime. Oh, guys, I'm not even showing it. Wow. This is a bad slime. It's not turning out like the slime that I showed you. I guess I added too much or something. So in my opinion, it's really cool how you can make this. Like, it's so cool. So guys, my slime started out just like that. So all you'll be taking is baby oil and putting some in it. So the baby oil, you guys are like, baby oil is not going to help. I just put maybe a tablespoon in. That's all you need, and it's going to turn super stretchy like this one. So guys, these are the exact same ingredients I want, except that one had a little more glue. But as you can see, they're kind of the same size. Well, you really can't see right now. Sorry guys, I'm finding like giant pieces of hair in my slime. Because I did order it off of, what's it called? Oh shoot, I just got stuck in it. Guys, okay. Sorry guys, I'm getting sidetracked. Okay. So now, alright, so this is pretty much a video how to fix a bad slime, I guess. Because it's still a little bad, but you know, do your best. Next we'll be adding another tablespoon of it and just kind of mixing it around in here. So in this stretchy earth, it's still not what I'm looking for. So guys, I'm going to drench this like